You probably know that a key to success for modern telcos is differentiation. In other words, creating products and services that appeal to very specific niches and markets. But how do you find the time to customize and manage it all? Well, thanks to PortaBilling, you can create and launch new service bundles in minutes, not months, helping you stand out from your competitors and reach new revenue fast. Keep watching and I'll show you how. If you are in the telco business, you're likely struggling with a challenge that many wireless operators face: creating and managing a wide variety of mobile plans that not only meet specific customer needs, but also scale seamlessly without becoming an administrative nightmare. Managing pricing, tracking usage, and ensuring customers stay informed can quickly become overwhelming. But fear not. With PortaBilling, you don't have to worry about complex billing systems or messy administration. With PortaBilling, a new prepaid mobile plan is just 4 steps away. First, head to the Bundles section. Click on the Add button, and let's give your bundle a name. Now, let's select a code group set. This what allows you to offer different bundles for different types of traffic, like video streaming and messaging and so on, so you can design a bundle that will appeal specifically to the customer you want to target with this promotion. Now, we'll set balance-dependent renewable for the bundle type and configure the renewal fee and lifetime. It's that easy. If you want this bundle to be automatically renewed if a subscriber has enough balance, select On Sufficient Funds. Next, set up your service volumes under Bundle Items. Customize the voice, data, and text allowances to fit your plan's needs. Once you've defined your usage allowances, head over to the Products menu and click the Add button. Give your product an appealing name and select the currency. Enable voice, messaging, and data services. Define the out-of-bundle rates, and link this product to the prepaid bundle we just set up. Finally, it's time to activate the product for the subscriber. Navigate to Accounts, select your subscriber, and switch them to the newly created product. That's it. Your mobile plan is live and ready to go. Now I'll simulate some usage to ensure that the product works just as I designed it. I'll simulate user activity like making calls, sending messages, and using data, all as per the product configuration. Watch how the counters for voice, text, and data update in real time when I select to apply a charge for a call, a few messages, or a data session. PortaBilling ensures every billable event is rated and charged accurately, and provides instant notifications when usage thresholds are hit. That means your customers are always in control and well-informed about their plans. With the mobile self-care app, subscribers can easily track their usage, view real-time balances, and even activate additional plans, all from the palm of their hand. Now, you've empowered your customers with the tools they need to stay on top of their mobile plans, anytime, anywhere. And there you have it. With PortaBilling, launching and managing a mobile plan is quick, reliable, and scalable, which means it's perfect for your business. Flexible plans. Happy customers. Want to learn more about how PortaBilling can power your business? Reach out to us. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll see you in the next video.